Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? Hope you're all enjoying your weekend. Okay. Today I'm gonna show you guys some of my auction wins. I actually purchased from three fellow YouTubers, and I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay. So the first one is from Creative Lauri. Creative Lauri is not a jewelry seller. She's a home stager. She has a really fun channel where she shows how to decorate homes on a budget. She does a lot of fun DIYs. I'm going to put her channel link on the bottom so you guys can also see. For the past few weeks, I think it's 3 weeks now, she's been selling some of the jewelry that she has from her dad, who's a gemologist, and he has really fun stuff. Okay, let me start. Okay, the first thing that I got from her is this ring. It's called a, I think it's called a fire opal. When I hear opal, actually, I keep thinking of the color white, and it's going to be a stone that's kind of like a pearlish kind of white color. But I had no idea that there would be opal that's in this color. This is really pretty. When I saw this, I was like, you know, I need to have this because I really love the orange, and I love, you know, the kind of fiery colors on the side. So this is the first purchase I made from her. Okay, next. And I also got this watch here, really pretty, made of all, you know, Austrian crystals, very, like, you know, blingy type of watch. It's really large scale, and I love watches like that. So this, I also got this from her. As you can see, everything is new and very pretty. And I also got this too, this cute little alligator here. That's you have to see how this is. It's really cute. It also has Austrian crystals, and I really love this also. Okay, and then let me see what else I got. Okay, I got this turquoise heart ring. As you know, you guys know I love the heart shape. And I got this really pretty heart ring from her as well, in a turquoise reddish kind of color. And it has kind of like the scalloped edge. Very pretty. And I asked her if she had like something to match that's a pendant. She didn't have the scalloped edged one, but she had this one over here, which matches actually with it. Very pretty. So I got this one also, so I can wear with this. So see, cute little hearts with the very pretty turquoise stones inside. And I'm not sure what this stone is over here, but it has a little red stone there too. And this is actually how it looks on the side, and they still have the tags. It's very pretty. And she was kind enough to send me a sterling silver pretty chain here also that I can wear the pendant with. Very nice. Okay, so let's see what else I got. I got a lot of things, so thank God. Well, not a lot, but you know, quite a few. Let's see what else I got. Okay, she has also costume jewelry, and I got this really wide bangle here. It's kind of like a cuff. Well, it is a cuff, and I really like these kinds of bracelets that are wide. Very cute. I like statement pieces. So yeah, and this and this. Okay. So, and when I saw these earrings, I had to have them. And you guys already probably know what shape it's in. And these also are with Austrian crystals. They're hearts, hoops, and it has like the Austrian crystals all around the front. And it goes, well, it goes all the way around. I didn't even notice that. It goes all the way around in heart shapes. Very pretty. I love these. So I got these as well. And I got this one for my daughter. This is also with Austrian crystals. Really pretty, cute little heart. Very cute. And she did put it in this cute little bag also. Very cute. So this is for my daughter. And this also I got. She sent me this as a gift. I love the little pouches she put them in. And she sent me this bracelet here. Very pretty. I'm not sure if it's what it says on here, but okay. It doesn't say anything. And then she sent me a note saying, I thought this would work nice with your fire opal ring, which it did. It's the same colors. It's very pretty. It looks very nice together. So I want to thank her for that. Thank you, Lauri. I really love this. It's very pretty. And it does go with the ring. And as you can hear, my birds are going off. because they every time they hear me talk is when they start. Okay, so what else did I get? Okay, I got one more thing. I think I got one more thing. Sure. And I will be buying more things from her. I don't know how long she'll be doing the jewelry, but I am trying to get a few more things. This is pretty. I got this also. I don't know if you can see them. There we go. They're cute little teddy bears and little butterflies. This is very pretty. They're all very reasonably priced, so it's not too high. And I'm gonna put her link in so you guys can see as well. She usually does them on Fridays and Saturdays. I don't think she did last weekend because she was she was sick. She had the flu, and she's probably gonna start. I don't know if she's doing tomorrow. I need to ask her, but we'll see. Okay, who do we have next? Okay, next, I bought. As you can see, I'm kind of not prepared today, but that's the whole good thing about doing these videos. You're not prepared. Okay, the next purchase I made is from Debs Treasurez, and these I got from her auction. I don't remember how much I ended up, the total was. I think it was 40 or 38, something like that. Okay, so I got these Zuni earrings, very pretty. They have these really cool little faces on them that kind of look like snakes with little blue eyes. So I got these, and then it was a lot of 3 items. And I got this. This is sterling silver. It says 925 in the back. Very pretty. I love these. And as you can see, they are marked in the back. 925 Mexico. And I did test them. They are sterling silver. So these were really cool. I like these. And I also in the set it was a lot. And also in the lot were these earrings, which I really love these too. Look how pretty these are. I love the little scalloped kind of looking edges on them, and the details in them. And they do look like onyx in here. And these also are clip-ons, which I don't know why, for some reason right now they're more desirable, the clip-on earrings. And these also say Mexico 925 in the back. Very pretty. These also were in the lot. I think I paid 38 or 40. I'm not sure exactly how much they were for all 3 of these, which is really good for silver. That says 925 Mexico, because I don't know if you guys know, but they're more desirable. Okay, so and she sent me this cute little makeup bag in the heart shape and a few goodies in here, which I'm gonna show you. And she knows that I love these, and I guess that's why she sent them to me. These floating charm necklaces, pendants actually. They're called origami. They're really cute, and they have really cute charms inside, so you can see through them. They're called floating. Very pretty. This one has a mom. It says mom inside, and it has kind of like a little hand in there and an owl. This one has a key and a heart, and then this one is just blank, and it's in a gold tone. And they do say origami on the bottom. And she sent me these earrings too, because she knows I love flashy things. Thank you, Debs. These are so cute. These are like really large stud earrings, and she knows that I love flashy things, so she sent these to me as well as a gift. Thank you so much, Debs. I really love everything, and I will put her link also in the bottom of the description as soon as this loads. So, okay, and then I have a few things here from April. April's channel is called Boujee Bear, and I'm going to put her link also. And here we go. I got this bracelet from her. Really cute. And it has little embellished little why do I forget these things? Like, I don't know what a butterfly is. Okay. It has a really cute butterfly inside here, as you can see. It's kind of like clear on top and green on the bottom. I really like the color. And I am selling this one. It's on my Poshmark. It's I would keep this for myself, but I have so many things. So this one I am going to sell, but I did get these 2 for myself. Look how cute this is. It's a Santa sleigh with reindeers. I like that it's a really large size. And when she told me that it has, the area where you can hang it as a necklace, that was the part that I liked about this, is because I want to put something like a kind of like either a green rope or a red rope and just hang it around my neck during Christmas time. And it is a brooch also. can be worn as a brooch and a pendant, but I choose to wear. I'm going to choose to wear it as a pendant. And then also this was in another in here also, and I got both of these for $5, which is a steal. And look at how cute this is. This is a brooch, and it has earrings on here. There's a little drum, a Christmas tree, and a present, and a little Santa on here that you can wear as earrings, and they are earrings, and then it's also a brooch. So this is cute. These two were together that I got. And she sent me a few goodies, of course. She always sends goodies. Thank you, April. She sent this cute necklace, which I really liked when she showed it. And I really love this. I love the colors. You know how these bracelets, the fashion jewelry, when you look at them, they have this kind of like cheapy plastic look to them. These look really rich, and these stones are really nice. They're really real glass stones. They're not plastic. So this is a really nice one. I really like this one too. And of course, she knows I like hearts, so she sent me this heart brooch. And she also sent this little heart pendant also. Very cute with a little pearl. And this is by Lennox. Very pretty. And everybody sent me thank you notes also. They sent me little cards that said thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, April. Thank you, Lauri, and Debs Treasures. And I'm going to put everybody's links right now in the video, so you guys can also go purchase things from there. Or and as for Lauri, she has a channel where she does, as I said, she does decorating, and she has a lot of fun DIY projects, and she has a lot of fun home decorating things that she does on her channel, and all of them on a budget. Some of them are even from the dollar store, so you might want to go ahead and look at that. And I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to show everybody, because I got, you know, when I got my mail today, I wanted to show everybody. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you had fun. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye. Hi everybody. I'm sorry I said goodbye. I forgot to show you this last one. Creative Lauri did send me this really cute ring with Austrian crystals as a gift also. And as I was putting everything away, I just noticed it, and I wanted to show you guys this as well. It's very pretty. Thank you, Lauri. Bye again, everyone. Bye.